Well, another little short video for you guys. Found this little treasure. Just an old train car. Couple seats in it, but apparently it went from Georgia to Parmeal. But unfortunately it's locked, and Cobra does not feel like going to jail today, so we are not going to break in. But just figured I would give y'all a tour to walk around and kind of let you get a look at this place. Really neat. I mean, it's just, I was actually at another location and saw this on their map as a point of interest, so I figured, well, we'll go check it out. I thought it was more public friendly, like being able to get inside, but all you can do is get on it, and it's locked. Got a couple chairs. Looks like a cast iron heater. So I don't know. They might do events in this area, because I mean it's just a little country town. So I mean, who knows? They might do events or something, because I mean they got electricity run to it. But just another find. I'll see you guys on the next one.